Welcome to My Cyber Coach, a video series designed specifically for veterans like you who are considering a transition from military service to a career in cybersecurity. I'm your host, Jason Shockey, and I'm excited to help you make the leap from service to cyber. Let's get into it. Welcome back. Today we're talking about one of the most powerful tools we have to secure information, encryption. It's an essential tool for securing data. Let's dive into why it matters and how it works. At its core, encryption is the process of converting readable data into a coded format that can only be read by someone who has the correct decryption key. It's like turning a message into a secret code so that even if someone intercepts it, they can't read it without the key. Encryption is essential because it ensures that sensitive data, whether it's personal information, financial records, or classified military data, remains protected from unauthorized access. Cyber threats are constant. Hackers, malware, and data theft. Encryption safeguards data, making it unreadable without the decryption key. Think of it this way. When you send a message to a friend, you wouldn't want anyone else reading it, right? Encryption ensures that only your friend, who has the right key, can decode and read that message. There are two main types of encryption, symmetric and asymmetric encryption. Symmetric encryption. In this method, the same key is used to both encrypt and decrypt the data. It's fast and efficient, but requires secure key management. If someone gets a hold of the key, they can decrypt the data. Asymmetric encryption. This is also known as public key encryption. It uses two keys, one public key to encrypt the data and a private key to decrypt it. The public key can be shared with anyone, but only the owner of the private key can decrypt the message. Both types of encryption have their use cases, but asymmetric encryption is often used in more sensitive communications like online banking or sending secure emails. Implementing encryption is easier than you might think. Many tools and protocols are already in place to help secure your data. For example, websites use SSL and TLS encryption to protect communications between your browser and the website's server. When you see HTTPS in the address bar, that's SSL encryption at work. On a personal level, tools like VeraCrypt and BitLocker can encrypt your files or entire hard drives, making sure that your data remains safe even if the device is lost or stolen. Another great practice is to use password managers. These tools store your encrypted passwords and help you avoid using easily hackable ones. When implementing encryption, keep these key concepts in mind. Key management. Properly managing encryption keys is crucial. If keys are exposed, the encryption is compromised. Encryption strength. Use strong encryption standards like AES 256, which provides a high level of security. Data in transit versus data at rest. Encrypting data when it's moving through networks, data in transit, and when it's stored on devices, data at rest, are both essential. Encryption is one of the most powerful ways to protect sensitive information in today's cyber world. As a cybersecurity professional, mastering encryption will not only help you safeguard data, but also make you a crucial part of any team's defensive strategy. So if you're just starting out, dive into encryption basics, explore encryption tools, learn about encryption standards, and start thinking about how to apply encryption in real-world scenarios. It's an essential skill that every cybersecurity pro should have in their toolkit. Find your perfect cyber role by completing a quick survey at mycyberpath.com and kickstart your cyber career. Thanks for watching My Cyber Coach. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.